Have you ever watched a finance video that made you feel like you needed a master's degree just to understand the first minute? Most money content online is either drowning in jargon that sounds like it was written by Wall Street insiders, or it's pushing some sketchy scheme that promises you'll retire rich by next Tuesday. Neither actually helps real people build real wealth. My name is Don, and my journey with money started in a college classroom. I majored in economics, and there was this one class called Money and Banking that completely changed my perspective. We dove into how money actually works, how banks create it, how the financial system operates, and suddenly everything clicked. But here's what frustrated me. College taught me the theory, but not what to actually do with my own money. They explained monetary policy, but nobody explained how to build a portfolio or why compound interest matters more than understanding the Fed's discount rate. So I figured it out myself. The first book that opened my eyes was Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Yeah, probably the same first book that inspired half of you watching this. But it shifted how I thought about assets and building multiple income streams. From there, I spent years researching, watching YouTube channels, learning from investors actually putting their money where their mouth is. I've been actively investing for over a decade now, and honestly, one of the biggest inspirations for this channel came from my friends constantly asking me questions about investing, retirement accounts, whether to buy or rent, how to handle debt. I realized if my friends need this information, thousands of others probably do too. Now, I want to be transparent with you. You're probably noticing this isn't me on camera. I'm using AI to create these videos because I'm not ready to be in front of a camera yet. I know it seems ironic, confident enough to share financial strategies, but still camera shy. But the message matters more than the messenger. The knowledge I've gained over the past decade is too valuable to keep to myself. So I'm embracing this format to make sure the information gets out there. My mission with Don Invests is to bridge the massive financial literacy gap that's costing people hundreds of thousands of dollars. Think about it. We memorized the periodic table and studied World War I. But did anyone teach us how compound interest works or why credit card debt destroys your future? We graduated thinking we were educated, but financially, completely unprepared. We teach calculus, but not the real cost of a 30-year mortgage versus a 15-year one. We don't talk about how your car payment could cost you hundreds of thousands in lost investment returns. Financial literacy should be as fundamental as learning to read. There are tons of finance channels out there. Most either focus on tiny optimizations like which credit card gives 0.5% more cash back, or they chase whatever crypto or stock is trending that week. The real issue is that we've been conditioned to believe a bigger salary automatically equals wealth, when it's actually your savings rate and investment strategy that determine your financial future. My goal is to give you information that's actually useful. I want to break down economic concepts and investing strategies into simple, actionable systems, understanding assets versus liabilities, building wealth automatically, and making smarter decisions about the big expenses that dominate your budget. You deserve financial freedom. Freedom to make career choices based on what you want, not just what pays bills. That freedom doesn't come from luck or secret hacks. It comes from understanding how money works. I've seen people making $150,000 who are one emergency away from disaster, and people earning $50,000 who retire early because they understood the math. The difference isn't income, it's financial intelligence. Building wealth is a consistency game, showing up month after month making smart decisions while everyone else chases the next shiny opportunity. We'll talk about the quietly broke phenomenon, where people prioritize looking successful over being financially secure. We'll discuss shifting from saver to investor who makes money work for you. We'll explore the psychology of why people stay broke even on good incomes and how to break those patterns. Topics like tax optimization, real estate investing, index funds versus individual stocks, the power of compounding, things that actually create lasting wealth. I'm using AI to share this knowledge because technology can be used positively and impactfully, getting valuable information to people who need it without production barriers. I'm just someone who got curious about money in a college classroom, spent a decade learning through experience, and now wants to share that knowledge so you don't make the same mistakes I did. Your future self depends on the decisions you make today. If you're ready to stop feeling confused about money and start building the financial future you deserve, you're in the right place. Let's build your wealth together, one smart decision at a time. I'll see you in the next video.